Getting your ideal customers to hear your best ideas is critical. How many times have you had a great idea to sell a product or service online, but then the people that seemingly started behind you or know less than you are the ones with the paying customers? It's probably happened and will happen again unless you learn to use a process that helps you to build your own audience for your content and your products, fast but securely. Well, we've taken care of that for you with a step-by-step over-the-shoulder video course on the basics of how to build an audience. So in about 47 minutes, we're going to have you ready to get the most from people that already listen to you, without lots of wasted time and extra things to do, keeping you from the most important things you already have. And we're going to cover everything you need to know in order to build your audience without all of the fluff. Now, to get started is simple. Hit the Buy Now button, and in an hour or less in some cases, you'll be operating a system to get your products in front of the right people at the right time by building an organic audience. So get started today. Hit the Buy Now button.